Sometimes you need to understand football and then understand the tactics involved in football. Let me give you one key analysis. What's just happened between Real Madrid and Barcelona? We all know that those that understand football, I mean, if you don't understand football, I'm not referring to you. But those that understand football, they really know that Real Madrid don't need Alvarez. They don't need him because they have already Mbappe as a striker, and then Mourinho is there now, and Mourinho wants them to bring back the other Brazilian young striker. So you will see if that striker is back from Leon on loan, so they will need Alvarez. But why are they going in for even trying to like cast in for around 150 million? Is all mind games. They don't want Barcelona to get their hands on that striker because Alvarez is a good fit for Barcelona because Barcelona, their main striker right now, who is Lewandowski, is getting old. And then if you look at the age profile of Alvarez, it will perfectly fit for Barcelona. But Real Madrid don't want that to happen. And that is the reason why Florentino Perez did all what he could to make sure that and then upset Barcelona, and at the same time making Atletico Madrid to increase the price or acting on the release clause of Julian Alvarez up to 500 million euros. So guys, what do you think? Real Madrid don't want Barcelona to sign Julian Alvarez.